Good afternoon, meteorologist Dean Davison, the Weather Pros, live weather blogs, and responding fire. We're going to be talking about the weather in the next week or so and what we could be seeing. If we dry, wet, we can talk about fire danger in certain areas. We'll go on to that. Just to let you know, we'll be working on a tornado forecast for the spring and also looking towards hurricane season within a month or so. So expect my tornado forecast to be out probably within a week or so. And then after that, we'll be turning towards a hurricane forecast. So take a look at what's going on currently. Pretty dry across the continental U.S. A little bit of rain here in California, up in farthest points of Michigan and Wisconsin. No snow other than in your California area, some Idaho and Montana, a little bit in Oregon. Really pretty good across the entire continental United States. As we move on, you'll see we have a low that's off the coast of Florida. That just moves along. We get a low develop here in the Midwest. We got to watch out for showers and thunderstorms, especially when it starts getting together. And this front will move to the east. Some heavier snow come across Kansas, and it'll mainly turn to a low pressure, so we may get a little bit of snow by the time we get along to around Saturday evening. We would have possibly some snow in around the Indianapolis area, just north of there, the Ohio area, your inner New York. Nothing great, impressive. Ohio may get some snow, like I said. It's Maine. And we get some rain, good potential of rain coming in here by the day on Monday, based on the latest forecast. The low pressure will be close by, so we'll have to watch that possibly for a little bit of severe weather. Then we're going to crank up a low pressure off the coastline. This will actually affect us by middle of next week. This will be a nor'easter type of system. Now, it doesn't look like a lot of cold air in places. The 540 lines all over Massachusetts and northern parts of Pennsylvania. So it's going to be warm, too warm in Virginia to really see a lot of snow. Maybe in the highest elevation of the west-facing slopes when the low pressure goes by and the cold air tries to drive back in. But that'd be about it. Heavier rain through the area, heavy rain through southern New Jersey. Looks like we would also have wind with this, so this would be another issue. Could be some flooding. Heaviest snow then comes across the Minneapolis area, possibly by a week, about a week from now, and as a low pressure joins there, and we have to watch for severe weather in the Midwest because obviously this is the time of the year that looks good for, especially when we get low pressures cranking pretty heavily up in the northern plains. This will then move to the east, and this is pretty far out, and it does show some potential for some snowfall here in Massachusetts, but this is way out. This is about 2 weeks away, so even though it's on the models, it might not be on there for long. We'll have to keep an eye on it, but it's something we'll watch. And like I said, rain with these fronts and this system. After that, what could be potentially a severe weather issue here for the eastern parts of the United States, where we would have a very strong low pressure system in West Virginia and a very strong low pressure system altogether that would make a potential severe weather issue outbreak or something of that form. It's still, like I said, about 2 weeks out. We'd have to watch that, but something we have to keep in the back of our heads and keep an eye on. Other than that, fire danger looks to be moderately high. We are in Virginia, in Southwest Virginia, we're in a burn ban. When we get some of the rain, it goes down for a day or two, and we get back up in the high because of what's going on. We got to really be careful with this going on because it could be a major issue. So we'll keep an eye on it, and we'll bring you the latest. Meteorologist Dean Davison, the Weather Pros. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.